tummy. Tell me what you're eating.
A Debbie.
And what does it taste like?
Meatball.
Meatball. Is it yummy in your tummy? And what's happening to your belly?
It's getting bigger.
Really? Is it going to explode? It looks like it. You're going to be so full because you're on your second bowl of spaghetti.
Honestly, I might want to eat the table.
You said you were so full you couldn't eat anymore.
Yep. And then I told him it's bedtime, so now he's hungry again.
Alright, go to bed.
I want to do my picture.
You can't see it. I'm videoing it.
Don't hurt those
It's on
shirts.
video. You just like to make all kinds of gaseous sounds, don't you?
I want to win.
Alright, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
What are you eating again?
A Debbie.
And what else did you eat?
Mushroom.
Mushrooms. And what else? What was that stuff over there on that plate?
Green.
Yep. What's your favorite?
Green and Debbie and meatball and tomatoes.
And tomatoes.
And I like to eat more.
You like to eat more. Are you excited for Mama's plants?
I like to eat snake.
Dates?
I like to eat snake.
Snakes? You like to eat snakes?
I like to eat bugs.
Oh, yeah. You're silly. So, are you excited for Mama to get some tomato plants so you can go eat the tomatoes?
Yeah.
You like the little ones? Yeah. Alright, finish your spaghetti.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.